Welcome back again to Alice's Cook Recipes. If you're new here, we cook together, we learn some new recipes, and we enjoy our meals. So please do subscribe, like, share, comment, suggest any dish you want us to try. So today I'm making some creamy chicken macaroni, and here I'm getting my ingredients ready. And the ingredients today will be some chicken, these two types of onions, garlic, Persey, chili, and also the spices which I use chicken masala, white pepper, and we also add in some oregano. So we cut all the ingredients into smaller pieces. I started with the chicken, now onions. I'm gonna cut everything that I'm gonna use into small pieces. Yep. I will smash the garlic with the chili. So I'm putting them aside. And here we go. So I'm cutting some smaller pieces, as you can see. I will do the same for the Persey as well. Here we go. So we cut the Persey as well, small pieces. And then our ingredients are almost ready, just remaining with some chili and garlic to be smashed. So I add in some little oil. I like using little oil because I don't like oily food. So I add some little oil. I mix it up well for it not to burn. I just mix, add the salt, stir, and then I leave it. I go on the other side. I add my macaroni into some boiled water, add some little oil, and also I will add some salt, and then mix it for some time for it not to stick in the saucepan. And then afterwards I will cover it to cook. So on the other side, our meat has started to turn a bit golden brown. So we keep mixing, ensure it doesn't burn, because here you see that it has really changed the color. I allowed it because I want some dry meat. So that's the reason. I will add the onions and stir for a moment for it not to burn, and then I add my smashed garlic and chili. I mix also as well. So you see it has really changed. Out of spices, you add in the chicken masala, white pepper, and the oregano. We keep mixing, and then we have our macaroni ready on the other side. So we add in our meat. So we mix, and since it's gonna be creamy, I will need to add some cream. And there we go, there we are. I think you can see that. then here we have our cheddar cheese as well added in. So my food is almost ready, and I'm gonna have it now. So let's serve our food, and please do try it at home. I hope you enjoy it, and if you're new here, please subscribe.